Today we talked about cloud computing and its importance and job opportunities in this field. 1. What is cloud computing? 2. Importance of cloud computing? 3. Future scope in cloud computing? 4. Job opportunities in cloud computing? Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a model of computing that involves the delivery of various computing services over the Internet. Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS. This is the most basic form of cloud computing service. Platform as a Service, PaaS. PaaS provides a platform and environment for developers to build, deploy, and manage applications without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure. Software as a Service, SaaS. SaaS delivers software applications over the Internet on a subscription basis. Users can access and use these applications directly from a web browser, without the need for installation or local storage. Cloud computing offers several advantages, including scalability. Cloud services can scale up or down based on the needs of the user. This flexibility allows businesses and individuals to easily adjust their computing resources to accommodate changing demands. Cost effectiveness. Cloud computing eliminates the need for upfront investments in hardware and infrastructure. Reliability and availability. Cloud service providers typically offer high levels of uptime and availability, leveraging redundant infrastructure and data backups. Accessibility. Cloud services can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection, enabling remote access and collaboration. Security. Cloud providers invest heavily in security measures to protect data and applications. Importance of cloud computing. Here are some key reasons why cloud computing is considered important. Scalability and flexibility. Cloud computing allows users to easily scale their computing resources up or down based on their needs. Cost efficiency. Cloud computing can significantly reduce IT costs. Accessibility and collaboration. Cloud services are accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, enabling users to access their data, applications, and services on various devices. Reliability and availability. Cloud service providers typically offer robust infrastructure and high levels of redundancy to ensure reliable and continuous service availability. Data security and compliance. Cloud providers invest heavily in security measures to protect user data. Innovation and agility. Cloud computing fosters innovation by providing a platform for rapid development, testing, and deployment of applications. Environmental sustainability. Cloud computing has positive environmental implications. Future scope in cloud computing? The future scope of cloud computing is promising, as it continues to evolve and drive innovation in various industries. Hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Many organizations are adopting hybrid and multi-cloud strategies, combining public cloud services with private cloud or on-premises infrastructure. Edge computing. As the Internet of Things, IoT, expands, there is a growing need for edge computing solutions. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Cloud computing plays a significant role in facilitating artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, initiatives. Serverless computing. Serverless computing abstracts away infrastructure management, allowing developers to focus solely on writing and deploying code. Data analytics and big data. Cloud computing provides powerful tools and infrastructure for processing and analyzing vast amounts of data. Security and privacy enhancements. With the increasing reliance on cloud computing, there will be continuous efforts to enhance security and privacy measures. Quantum computing. While still in its early stages, quantum computing holds immense potential for solving complex problems that are beyond the capabilities of classical computing. Job opportunities in cloud computing? Cloud computing has created a vast array of job opportunities across various roles and skill sets. Here are some prominent job roles in cloud computing. Cloud architect. Cloud architects design and oversee the implementation of cloud infrastructure and solutions. Cloud engineer. Cloud engineers are responsible for implementing and managing cloud infrastructure, services, and applications. Cloud developer. Cloud developers build applications and services that run on cloud platforms. They develop and deploy scalable, secure, and efficient cloud-native applications using cloud-specific technologies and frameworks. DevOps engineer. DevOps engineers focus on integrating development and operations processes, ensuring efficient and continuous delivery of applications and services in cloud environments. Cloud security specialist. Cloud security specialists focus on securing cloud infrastructure, applications, and data. Cloud data engineer. Cloud data engineers specialize in managing and processing large-scale data in cloud environments. Cloud consultant. Cloud consultants provide strategic guidance to organizations on cloud adoption, migration, and optimization. Cloud sales and marketing. Cloud sales and marketing professionals promote cloud services, generate leads, and drive customer adoption. If you want to learn any other skills like Adobe Photoshop or know about Metaverse, you can visit our others playlists. You want to learn anything else, tell us in comments, we will help you and make videos on these topics.